Good morning, students. After completing those three lessons in our reader portion, now today I am going to start this fourth chapter, The Champion. Okay, but your portion for the pre-med test, that is only up to the chapter number 3. Okay, so now today we are going to start this new lesson. This is the story of this boy Ricky, and she is Miss Tanu, and about his some team members. Okay, so now let's read that how this boy was feeling, that he was very excited. He thought that now the today's activity has got over and he is going to win, but unfortunately when Mrs. Tanu, she said that no, there was a tie between the two parties and they decided to do might be you have seen that in some of the races or in any activity, when there is a draw between the two parties, isn't, they used to make a toss between the two to decide that who is the winner. So the same thing has been done over here also. So now let's read and came to know that what she has done to announce the winner. Let's read. Ricky looked quite happy as he and his field day team stepped up to their last activity. Ricky was quite happy and he was excited also because he thought that his activity, his day team, his team members, isn't, after completing that day task, they have stepped up to their last activity. They were in the first place, and why he was very happy? Because they were in the first place. Okay, they were in the first place, so he was very happy. And Ricky could already feel that they were going to become victorious and medals hanging around their necks. Okay, and Ricky could already feel, okay, in the before the announcement of the winner, before the final match, he decided himself, and not you can say that he was very much excited and eager, and due to his eagerness he was very confident also that he is going to win, and he started assuming himself that the medals are hanging around his neck and he is going to become victorious. He is going to become the winner of that race. How exciting, Mrs. Tanu said. You two teams are tied in the highest score of the day. Then Mrs. Tanu said that how exciting it is that you two teams are tied in the highest score of the day, that there was a tie between the two teams. Tied. Ricky said, how is it? We beat them at the relay race. Then Ricky said that how is it possible? Because we beat them in the relay race. Yes, but that was their only defeat, Mrs. Tanu said. Then in reply, what Mrs. Tanu said? Mrs. Tanu said that yeah, it's okay that you have beaten him in the relay race, but that was only their one defeat, isn't? And your team has also had one defeat. Then what Mrs. Tanu said? Mrs. Tanu said that your team has also one defeat, isn't? That if Ricky is if another team they are having one defeat, then your team is also having one defeat. So both of them, they become equal. Both of them, they are having equal points. Your team has also had one defeat, so you both have qualified for the first place. So what she said, Mrs. Tanu said, so in this way you both the teams, you have qualified for the first place. Ricky kept his fingers crossed. Now Ricky, he started worrying. He did not want to think about the balloon toss. He had been the first one to drop his balloon. This event is a hula hoop. Okay, this event is a hula hoop. I think that you people have done this activity during the games event or your games classes. This activity is used to done by you. You know what's the meaning of the hula hoop? Actually, hula hoop, it's a It's a large hoop that is spun around the body by gyrating the hips for play or exercise. Hula hoop, it's an activity where a large circular band is given to you to move it or just made it to move around the body, and if that ring is going to fall, then ultimately that member or that team is going to be out of the race. So this is the hula hoop challenge. So how Mrs. Tanu, she decided that the winner is going to be announced by this hula hoop challenge. And what is this hula hoop challenge? You can see here also it is written in the meanings. A large hoop spun around the body by gyrating the hips for play or exercise. So as you can see here, what's the meaning of the hoop? Hoop means a circular band of metal. Okay, a circular band of metal, the ring that is, which is given to you to move around your body from your waist. And gyrating means that is to move or cause to move rapidly, to move or cause to move rapidly. Okay, so Mrs. Tanu said, handing everyone a hula hoop. So Mrs. Tanu she handed everyone that is a hula hoop, and she told them about this hula hoop challenge. Are you supposed to see how far we can roll them? Ricky asked. No. Your challenge is to retain the hula hoop for as long as possible. Are you supposed to see how far we can roll them? Then Ricky asked that, are you supposed to see that? Do you want to see? This sentence, this line, it has been said by the Ricky, and Ricky asked to whom? This question Ricky has asked to the Miss Tanu, and he asked her that, are you supposed to see that how far we can roll them? That how far we can roll them? Ricky said, no. Your challenge is to retain the hula hoop for as long as possible. Once your hula hoop hit the ground, you will be turned out. The last person who goes on hula hooping will win the event for his team. So when Ricky asked that, do you want to see that how far we can roll them, then Mrs. Tanu, she said that no, your challenge is to retain the hula hoop for as long as possible around your waist. Okay, and once this hula hoop is going to fall on the ground, then automatically your team is going to be out from the competition and the winner is going to be declared. So till here we have completed. Okay, and from here we are going to do tomorrow. So just go through this lesson till here. Thank you and have a good day.